Hi, my name is Wes Amatomane, and right now we're right here in the heart of Pretoria in Makelnik to just zoom in on a company called Inqaba Biotech. Now in 2007, Inqaba Biotech started offering genome sequencing using a sequencing technology from 454, which at the time was a novel innovation, making them pioneers in offering this service in Africa. And it's always quite interesting to know exactly how much the commoner knows about the fields of DNA, RNA, and all these things as well. So let's ask some of the students here and let's figure out how smart they really are. Hey brother, how you doing?
Hey, how's it?
Fantastic. My name is Weza. I just wanted to know real quick if you know what DNA stands for.
DNA. I used to know. Yeah, forgotten.
DNA?
DNA.
What do you think it stands for?
Wow. DNA.
And do you know what DNA means?
I know it's got something to do with life science. We did it back at school, but
Yeah.
I don't quite remember what DNA stands for.
It definitely has to do with our biological system.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I'm assuming the N probably stands for the natural.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is an assumption.
It's okay, it's
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, this is a test, ribonucleic acid.
What does the D stand for?
The D stands for. Why are you asking such hard questions?
Okay. What is a SNP?
A SNP.
No, as
What does the word SNP really mean?
Snip.
Yeah,
When I think of snip, I'm thinking
cutting. Okay, it has to do with cutting. Yeah,
cutting something.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the first.
Like
thing
what?
that
What?
comes-
Okay, what would SNP mean in the biological field?
Cutting a human. I don't know.
A snip sounds like a snippet.
Yeah.
So it sounds like a short section of
I think
something.
you're onto something. Say that to camera. Tell them what a SNP is.
A snip is a short section of something. So
Yes.
a snippet of a video would be like half a video, and then a snip would be probably like the trailer.
SNP is a single nucleotide polymorphism. That's a single base variation that could be associated with a specific trait or with a specific marker. Usually these SNPs are usually silent. They don't change anything on an amino acid level, but they have been shown to be important in association with several diseases and also for traits. For example, color of the eye, color of the skin, and all these things.
When you think polypeptide, what are you thinking? What's the first thing that comes into your mind?
A musician. I
A
don't
musician.
know why, but a musician.
A hip hop musician called Polypeptide.
No.
Yo, this is Polypeptide.
Yeah, no, something like someone my dad would listen to.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a jazz
Like
musician.
a jazz musician.
Polypeptide is a jazz musician. Well, you heard it from, what's your name again?
Like Khonze.
You heard it from Khunze. Polypeptide is a jazz musician. What do you think a polypeptide is?
Doesn't poly come from four? Something like that. Doesn't it mean four? So like there's four of something. Polypeptide?
Cool. Maybe you're right. Tell them what a polypeptide is. Polypeptide is four of what?
Four of your body organs that make you function like a normal human being.
Wow, that was absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. You said your name is?
My name is Ree.
Thank you very much, Ree. Pretoria loves you.
Polypeptide is a peptide is a short amino acid sequence. A poly would be when you have a multiple peptide. The mass-array process starts from an assay design. We get specific SNPs of interest from our client, and we put these SNPs in an online assay design unit. So the assay design unit will design primers for those specific SNPs, and also will tell us how many SNPs we can flex in one reaction. After that, using those specific primers, we amplify a target region using PCR. The next step would be a single base extension, In this case, we actually only extend that single base, which is the SNP of interest. After that, we condition the PCR product with resin. We transfer about 10 nanoliters of that PCR reaction to a spectral chip. The spectral chip then will be transferred to the mass spec for a MALDI-TOF analysis, where the mass spec would fire a laser to this spectral chip, and depending on how quick or slow the molecules would fly, we can identify the SNP of interest in that target. There are several benefits of this mass array system. The first one is the power of plexing. You can actually plex up to 36 SNPs in one reaction, which makes it quite cost effective. The second one is you don't need special primers or labels to do this assay. The third one is the time that it takes to do this analysis. So from the first PCR to the last detection step, you can do this assay in 2 days. And also, in addition, the data analysis is very easy and it's quantitative. With regard to next generation sequencing, the mass array system is positioned to be a validation assay. Usually people use the next generation sequencing system to identify new SNPs or mutations. Then you can use the mass array system to actually validate the SNPs or to check the frequency of this specific SNPs. So it's actually a medium throughput and a validation of the NGS assay. We have several tests available using this mass array system. The first one is a pharmacogenetics test. This is a specific personalized medicine test. The second one is we have different cancer panels. These panels would detect mutations that can cause different cancers. Also, we have a blood group genotyping panels and also other disease-related panels as well. These days, the demands of molecular pathology is to have an assay that is cost-effective, that is efficient, and also easy to analyze data. And the mass array system can actually provide all these requirements. You can get a very cost-effective assay. In addition, the data is a very sensitive and easy to analyze data. Currently, the tests that we're doing at Inqaba are mostly research-based tests. We get a lot of projects from several research institutes in South Africa, also from different African countries, and most of these projects are association studies of human genetic disorders. And also we get different agricultural-based projects, for example, trait-related, to study trait-related markers, and also we offer bovine parentage analysis as well. In the future, we are planning to do more human diagnostic work using this mass array system.
This makes sense, yes. Broke it down. Okay, so you were kind of right.
Right. You got the P.
You were right the first time around. The first time around.
No, wait, did you say it's 4 or 5?
I said it's 4.
She said it's 4 and then she said it's 5. But she was right both times.
Right both times.
So you were right poly times.
You're right sometimes.
Correct. Poly. Wow. So we got educated today. I still don't know what DNA is.
DNA is do not analyze.
I was waiting for you to ask me what a SNP is. I had the perfect answer for you.
She said circumcision, guys. I was just like, why am I in here?
No, but then
What is this SNP?
it's not the time. No, I need to the time.
That's what Ree said. Ree was just like, it's
Wait,
circumcision.
Really asked you.
It could also be vasectomy. Those are also things.
It has to do, let me not even say, but it has to do with, yeah, getting cut. somewhere where you don't want to get cut.
That's what I said. I was like, cut.
Where you don't want to get cut.
Can you just Google here? Like, I'm not backing.
You're gonna find Kendrick right now at this time of month. If you Google DNA, you are just gonna find Kendrick Lamar. That's all. DNA. Deoxyribo, something like this.
I'm guessing it's by something.
Acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid.
So she said all the other C's.
Because the C's are like CH.
CH.
Yeah, and the X is
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
deoxyribonucleic acid.
Deoxyribonucleic acid. That's the African. That's in my African language, guys.